Welcome to the VintageMacZone YouTube channel, the place where the love for innovation and the charm of technological classics meet. Here we will explore the vast world of vintage Apple models, unearthing historic pieces that helped shape the evolution of electronic computers. Through engaging and informative videos, we will explore every detail of these timeless classics, telling their story, analyzing their technical characteristics and recording their impact on the world of technology and culture. In our first video, we'll dive into the golden age of computing with the legendary Macintosh Plus. The Macintosh Plus was a turning point in the history of personal computing, introducing innovations that defined the computing experience for generations. We will discover together the iconic design of this device, with its integrated monitor and satisfying mechanical keyboard. We will also explore its revolutionary technical specifications for its time, which helped make the Macintosh Plus a milestone in the computing landscape. Join us as we dive into the fascinating and innovative past of the Macintosh Plus in the first episode of VintageMacZone.